What is a nature poem? How do you write one? Why would you write one? To quote the writer Wendell Berry, a nature poem is about nature, or is a poem inspired by nature. Nature: trees, flowers, lakes, pathways, vistas. Nature is also process: tides, rainfall, a fallen tree trunk, a giant storm. So these things, growing and living, creatures and processes, are all around us. Sometimes we see them, but sometimes we don't. A very special way of being in nature is to take it in so deeply that we give back a poem about it. It's almost like taking a photo. Is it the small details that your eyes land on, or the big view? What most catches your attention and your imagination? This is what it takes to write a nature poem: seeing eyes. Let me give you 2 examples and 4 steps to write your own nature poem. Here is a poem written more than 1,000 years ago, right here in Ireland, about a writer soaking in the beauty of the woods. All around me greenwood trees, I hear blackbird verse on high, quavering lines on vellum leaves. Birdsong pours down from the sky. Over and above the wood, the blue cuckoo chants to me. Dear Lord, thank you for your word. I write well beneath the trees. Here's one of my own poems about dragonflies. The blue sheen of the dragonfly, bright wisp of highest secret flame, is like the sliver of mind at its horizon. Electricity of neurons that play, the hue of imagination, or perhaps even prayer. There's so many dragonflies in the reeds here at this hidden concrete dock. That poem began right here at this dock outside of Scariff in County Clare. I was standing here looking at the water, taking in the view, but I didn't see the dragonflies. And then I did. I really saw them and I described them. And then I got the idea that their blue is like the color of a new thought. So, 4 steps. Step 1, go outside. Into your yard, on a walk, a grassy patch in the neighborhood, by a river, on a hike. Take time to breathe. Let your lungs fill with air. Step 2, open your eyes to really see. Look with your ears, your skin, your mind, your heart. What is most catching your attention? What colors are drawing you in? Are you drawn to things close up or far away? Step 3, on a piece of paper, write down what's most catching your attention. Name it, describe it. If you're looking at a tree, list its colors, its textures, how it might be moving in the wind or in the breeze. Step 4, add a simile, feeling, and/or a thought. Can you give what you've seen a simile? That's when you compare it with something else. How a tree is like a grandfather, or gorse like confetti. Or add a feeling. How does it make you feel? The tree protects me. I feel glad to be alive. Or what does it make you think about? The gorse is bright, even though the sky is gray. And I'll add a 5th step. Share your poem. You can share it with a friend or a family member. Maybe they've written one with you and you can hear theirs. And finally, before saying goodbye, why would you write a nature poem? It's a good way of being in the world that's wholehearted and active, being a part of the goodness around you and in you. Also, if you care about something enough to really see it and to write a poem about it, you want to take care of it. May you have a really good time on your walk and working on your poem. May you have moments of enchantment, affection, joy, and indeed, care.